Now we are in the last phase of our preparation. So in the last 40 days you are done. Now you are done with your entire syllabus for all the 4 papers, right? So what will be your target now? Your target is to do at least 2 revisions of each paper. What am I saying? At least 2 revisions of each paper. So 4 into 2, you have to do 8 revisions, right? Now one more thing is important for you to understand, that how many hours you're studying as of now is very important in these last 40 days, because we are humans, right? We don't have 100% focus. If we are sitting on the study table for 8 hours, then it might so happen that we are being effective for 6.5 hours. But at the same time, if that is your efficiency, then if you are sitting on your study table for like 10 hours, then your effective study hours will also increase to 8 hours, right? But again, it differs from person to person. We all have different opinions on that, right? So now what will be your target for these 40 days? Your target is 12 to 13 hours a day, right? 12 to 13 hours every day. Now what are the things you have to do? You have to, मैंने तो बोला था कि at least 2 revisions करने हैं, but whatever A and B category topics are there, A and B category topics के लिए you have to do 3 revisions. 3 revisions if possible, right? 3 revisions करना है. And for C category आप 1 revision करो तो भी चलेगा, 1 revision करो तो भी चलेगा, right? Now in these 40 days, what happens if you have not studied your ICMAI module earlier, right? If you had taken classes from any faculties and you had done only the questions from his book, then it is the time where you have to go through the ICMAI module also. I would not recommend you to learn the concepts from ICMAI module, but you have to practice the MCQs and you have to do the numericals, right, from ICMAI module. Especially for IDT. This is a mistake which I had done during my preparation, that for IDT I did not solve all the questions from ICMAI module. But if you have taken any classes for CA final, then the question pattern, or maybe the kind of questions they ask in CA final, that is very different from CMA final, right? So you have to do the question solving as per your CMA final questions, right? So उसके लिए थोड़ा मॉड्यूल कर लेना to be on the safer side. Now at this point you have to make a list of all the must do questions on LDR. एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले आप ऑब्वियसली सारा क्वेश्चंस नहीं देखोगे, राइट? सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट कि क्या क्या आपको इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं, इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कौन से हैं, कौन से पेज नंबर में लिखा है. आई विल इंसर्ट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माइन कि मैंने क्या क्या किया था. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन मेक अ लिस्ट सो दैट एग्जाम के लास्ट डे पे वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहता है. एंड ऑल्सो यू आर वेरी फोकस्ड कि हाँ चलो मुझे इतना ही पढ़ना है, राइट? सो दैट्स अ बिग मेंटल रिलीफ. नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू हैव टू डू अनदर थिंग विच इज़ योर RTP and workbook question practice. RTP workbook questions you have to do because they generally ask questions from there also, right? So हमारे पास क्योंकि resources available है, so why not to use them. Now coming to another thing कि बहुत से students मुझे पूछते हैं कि हमें कौन से point of time पे हमें लेना चाहिए mock test, right? So मेरा recommendation यही रहेगा, when you are left with 1 month or 30 days for your exam, that is the perfect time to go for your MTP, right, or your mock tests. So what happens, you are left with time in your hand, and at this point of time with lesser preparation you will understand कि मैं कितना score कर रहा हूँ, how much am I able to score in the mock test as of now, and I still have 30 days with me. So you will understand what are the areas for improvement, right? So what do you have to do? You have to solve the MQP or MTP which is your mock test papers which are released by ICMAI, right? And वो ऐसे ही बैठ के नहीं करना है. You have to make an exam environment at your home or at your study library wherever you are studying कि 3 hours तक no disturbance, where like also you have to give a timeline to yourself that this much I have to complete within these 3 hours, right? So in these 3 hours no disturbance will be there. I'll be focusing on this and I'll be writing all the answers as if I'm writing it in the exam hall, right? So here 30 days बिफोर एग्ज़ाम, तो जब 30 डेज बाकी होगा तब आपको एक MTP करना है. Now when you are left with 20 days, at that point of time you have to do another MTP. And for those students who can afford a paid test series, if it can be afforded, then definitely go for one more test series. And यहाँ पे while choosing the test series you have to understand कि it should include answer correction and mistake rectification. Like it's not that they are only providing you the question paper, but you have to like they have to do the answer checking also, and they will let you know where are you lacking, right? So make sure that they are providing these two services also, and choose your test series accordingly, right? But even if you are not able to afford these test series which are like quite costly, so still you have your mock test papers with you, right? So you can go through it and you can do a self evaluation of that, and you are good to go for your exams, right? So that was about your group 4 preparation strategy. If you have any other doubts, then do write to me in the comment section below. And अगर कोई और वीडियो चाहिए आपको तो बोलो, मैं I'll try to make another video on that. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you find this video helpful and insightful, then don't forget to like this video, share this video with all your friends who are preparing for group 4 in the upcoming attempt, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me reach 13,000 please.